My dear friends, this is your Dr. Panir Selvam on behalf of Grobik Consultancy. This video talks more about your quality and entrepreneurship. ஒவ்வொருத்தருமே நீங்கள் வந்து ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர்ஸ் தான். டே டு டே லைஃப்பில் ஒவ்வொரு சுச்சுவேஷன்ஸ்லையும் யூ ப்ரூவ் தட் யூ ஆர் ஒன் ஆஃப் தி குட் நெகோஷியேட்டர், குட் பார்கெய்னர் அண்ட் ஃபைனலி a குட் ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர். பட் அந்த ஸ்கில்லு டேலண்ட்டை வச்சுட்டு எதனால இன்னும் இன்வால்வ் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னா, தட் இஸ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தி என்வாரன்மெண்ட் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலி கம்பல்ஷன் அண்ட் சைக்கலாஜிக்கல் ரீசன்ஸ் and other kind of fearing failings. See what quality you have specially. But before you buy anything, you will ensure the quality of the product. Quality la paapke there is a good quality, medium quality, poor quality. Very hardly you go for poor quality. Even if it is a discount, you will assure that the product is good. Otherwise you don't go for taking these discounted products. Even for the procurement of cereals or pulses, you don't procure for years together. There are cereals can be procured for some period. So you are one of the good inventory manager. So as far as the quality, even if you consider the gold 916, so you know what is the composition of copper inside. Then you will start investing only in coin or biscuit. So if at all to be converted, you give it to the goldsmith and get as ornaments. So that is, you see that the quality should be perfect, quality should be pakka, for which I think you spend time, energy and saving everything. Similarly, I think when you calculate your deposits, you differentiate the rate of interest between one to another bank where it is a very good rate of interest, you will invest. And you see that how much returns in a short period, good returns. So now your quality part is, I think, you know the quality, you know what to buy, where to buy, how much to buy, how much you can procure, you don't waste it. So you got a very good procurement or inventory techniques. Okay, next, that is a very vital part, quality part. Similarly, price also, I think, you will see the price. You will relate your quality with your price. Whether the price is affordable, the price is, whether it is a costlier or the price is acceptable to you to buy. So இதெல்லாமே நீங்கள் டிசைட் பண்ணி தான் ப்ரைஸை பண்ணுறீங்க. இதெல்லாம் இட்ஸ் ஆல் டாக்ட்ரின் டிஃபைன் பை தி எக்கனாமிஸ்ட். ஸோ ஃபைனலாக people try to promote the products through which you will be captured. அதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, they give advertisement. ஸோ இதுதான் 3 factors: price, quality, advertisement. இதில் மூணுலேயுமே I think you are very clever enough and you know the way to perform yourself qualitatively. So the basic idea is, you know how to take a good price, you know how to select a good quality. See, suppose suddenly if the apple is selling at the rate of 300, 400, then I think you will never go into it and see that what is the market price. Even when you go to buy any durable items, you will always take the reference from the online market, whether he is a person supplying material at the online price. So you are having that much of wide knowledge because of the technology also, but you are apply all your technology. And of late, the price, quality, advertisement, after that, beyond that, there are 2 other concepts have come in. That is, these designs. So you will also be attracted by choosing the best designs. So what is the design which is available in the market, which is acceptable to you? So you will go for that kind of quality which is packed with the design. And a lot of variants available before you. So you choose the item which could not only be because of price, but also the durability, again what is the quality, then again what is the composition inside. So you will look into one after another. So now you are packed with not only price, quality, advertisement, but you also see the variants as well as your designs. Then again the durability. So one after another, I think depending upon this your cosmopolitan status, you will also add up additional qualities, additional characters to determine your purchase. So you are proven to be a born entrepreneur, having a sufficient kind of a characteristics like a quality to act as a good entrepreneurs. So what is missing? Having good enough of good amount of good enough level of your knowledge in entrepreneurial qualities, characteristics, and again attributes. What is missing is a participation. So you are proved to be a born entrepreneur. You can just made it yourself with little brushing and again fine tuning. Then I think you will become shiny. So with that spirit, when you involve, whether you're male or female, whether you involve yourself, proving your all the knowledge, potential, wisdom that you have, that will give you not only income to the nation or income to the country, but it will flourish you. Because how long you can be living within a two room or 3 room bedroom apartments. You think of something else to live luxuriously. So even though I think when we die, which only 6 feet is enough, but still to enjoy the life, to give a full kind of happiness to your family members, and to keep them very happy, joyful, to enjoy whatever is needed, not the conspicuous, but whatever is required. So after today, I think you should take the vitamin, nutrient food, leading a very not only peaceful, very healthy life, taking a safe drinking water, having a good house facilities, and motorable facility to move from one to another place. So whatever is required, so that will have to be met out without having the longing desire for longer periods. So that is possible to generate not only income but also creating additional employment to the people who are underprivileged. So that would be possible when you are acting as an entrepreneur. You've got energy, you've got quality, you've got a rest characteristics, and what is required? Step in to participate. When you participate, definitely will beat the world, proving that we are one of the advanced countries in the world. So still counting is getting started, and time is also waiting for you for your participation to act as a good entrepreneur, to utilize all the valuable resources in the country, and earn enough income to lead a very happy and joyful life. So we'll continue with the similar videos. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for listening.